Here we have the Arrows Ultimate Husky. It's got vector flight stabilization system in it. It is a big one, 1800 millimeters, 71 inches. Trying to walk around this. I got a bunch of stuff in the way. So I crashed it, I don't know, a month ago, 2 months ago, and it was in that weird spot where it just comes straight down, spiraling down, and it bent the prop shaft on there, broke the prop, split the body. You can see right there by the wing too. So we will be repairing this today. We'll take footage of that. Chipped wingtip. I think I got the other part in the shed, the little end there. Flaps. Takes a 6 cell. They recommend a 3300. I'm trying to read this on the phone real quick. 50 amp ESC, metal servos, which is nice. Like I said, Arrows, which, you know, it's got really nice finished styrofoam. Try not to cast a shadow, but it's nice and smooth. Okay, got some more tools in, the battery, radio. I found that little piece of foam on the corner of the wing. And we were going to plug it in. Actually, down inside you go. Into the Husky. Like I said, it's got the Arrows vector stabilization. That's it on the left there. Oh, the strap's in the way, sorry. And then 7-channel Lemon RX. I think that's it. Let's see if we have movement. Yeah, elevator works. Rudder works. Ailerons still work. Let's see.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Takeoff flaps, normal mode. Motors armed.
All right. So we'll glue this back together. Gorilla Glue and mixed it with some water. Got lights. They're working, that's cool. And on the other side, I like to have one down in the center there. That'd be nice. I like that. More of a landing light. And then the wing strut, I'll have to glue these in. That had popped out over here and just tore out right there. We'll get it going for sure. Parts will be here tomorrow. It's a bent shaft, propeller shaft. Finished up with the Arrows Husky. There really wasn't much to do. Just glue that part together, the body and the wing. I'll get a magic marker. Probably cover that up. A little ugly. And then that strut. I have 2 struts underneath there. I had to glue that back on, and then the tail wheel was loose. So I added that little screw. Oh, right there. Hard to focus, it's a black screw. But I think it's gonna be like 7 business days till I get the parts. Oh, I forgot to untape that. But we'll get it up, film it, and we'll talk about the rates and all that happy stuff. All right, catch you guys later on the next flight.